Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 9, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal board also. Mensuration on circle, part 3A. That means you have already got more lesson, you must go through that lesson. My suggestion before observing this video, you must go through the video number, that is part 3. There are formulas you have to learn by heart and you have to remember also. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from Emil Agarwal's book, exercise 16.3, sum number 5. A seat is 11 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. Pay your attention on the solution. Here the length of a seat is 11 centimeter and width is 2 centimeter. Circular pieces 0.5 centimeter in diameter are cut from it. Circular pieces 0.5 centimeter in diameter are cut from it, from this seat. The area of the seat, we have to find out area of the seat. That is, finally we have to calculate the number of discs that can be prepared. This is why we have to find out the area of the seat, that is length into breadth. It is the formula. Here length is 11 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So by calculation it is coming 22 centimeter square. Again, we have to find out the area of the disc. That is, calculated number of discs, area of the disc, circular disc. Most of you will think you have to apply the formula of circle, that is pi r square. But here pi r square will not be used, because again the area of the circular disc equal to area of the square of side 0.5 centimeter. Why? The seat, suppose this is the seat. From here we have to cut a circular, that is this circular disc, that is this diameter and this diameter. According this we have to cut the square. This is why the area of the square of side, that is 0.5 centimeter. Since we have to cut the square to get the circular disc of diameter 0.5 centimeter. That is side square 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.25 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the number of discs. So number of discs equal to area of the seat divided by area of a circular disc. After writing this, then by calculation and simplifying, we are getting 88. Therefore, the required number of discs is 88. Sum is completed, very simple. Just you have to understand the language of the sum. Next sum, 7b. In the figure given below, AC and BD are two perpendicular diameter of the circle with center O. Here, diagram is given in the question. In answer you have to draw the diagram. After drawing the diagram, then we have to start. Here the diameter, that is AC, diameter that is AC is given, that is 16 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter. Therefore radius 16 by 2, that is the 8 centimeter. And we have to find out the area of the shaded perimeter and area of the shaded portion. Therefore, the area of two quadrant, the shaded portion is nothing but the quadrant. Here is how many quadrant? That is 2 quadrant. The 2 quadrant equal to area of the shaded part. Area of the 2 quadrant, that is the area of the shaded portion. The 2 shaded portion, this is why we are writing 2, and area of the quadrant, that is pi r square by 4, quadrant that is here divided into 4 equal parts. This is why we have to divide by 4. This is coming from formula. Then value of pi here is given 3.14. In sum, if you see the value of pi is given, then you will not take 22 by 7. Here what is value is given, exactly that value we have to take for calculation. Here is given 3.14, so here we have to write 3.14. After writing, then simplifying, we are getting 100.8 centimeter square. This calculation easy, by following the step, easily you will understand. Therefore, the area of the shaded part is 100.5 48 centimeters square. Again, we have to find out the perimeter. Again, the perimeter, that is two quadrant. Perimeter, this the two quadrant, that is considering the two quadrant, we will get the semicircle. This is why perimeter of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Perimeter of a circle 2 pi r. Here is two quadrant, that is semicircle. This is why we are dividing by 2. This part you have to understand clearly. Then perimeter, this portion, that is this portion, a perimeter of this portion, this and this we are getting by applying this formula. And there are two diameter, that is 2 into diameter, that is also the perimeter. This is why we are getting this frame. Now we have to put the value of pi. Here is given 3.4, so 3.4, and radius, that is 8, we have got radius 8. After writing, and diameter 16, after writing the relevant values and simplifying, we are getting 57.12 centimeter. That is the perimeter of the shaded part. This answer. Next and last part of this video, number 8. A bucket is raised from a well by means of a rope which is wound round a wheel of diameter 77 centimeter. Pay your attention on the solution. Here the diameter of the wheel, that is 77 centimeter. Therefore radius 77 by 2 centimeter. And the time taken, time also is given here, and the time equal to 1 minute 28 seconds. 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, and 28 seconds. By adding and simplifying, we are getting total 88 seconds. Now the perimeter of the wheel, that is 2 pi r. By reading the sum, you have to understand the process. We have to find out the perimeter of the wheel, that is 2 pi r. After writing the formula, we here value of pi is not given, so we may take 22 by 7, and value of r, that is 77 by 2. After putting and simplifying, we are getting 22 into 11. Without multiplying, if you keep in this way, that will be easier for calculation. This is why I have taken in this way. And the speed of the wheel, that is 1.5 meter per second. That means in 1 second it travels 1.1 meter. In 1 second the wheel travels, that is equal to 1.1 meter. And total time, that is 88 seconds. 1 second the wheel travel 1.1 meter. Therefore in 88 seconds the wheel travel 1.1 into 88 meter. That is, by calculation we are getting, this is meter and we have to convert into centimeter. This is why 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This is why 1.1 into 88 into 100 centimeter. Without multiplication, we are keeping in this way. That is, by simplifying, little simplification, that is in this way we are getting this. Now we have to find out the number of revolution. হুইলটা কতবার ঘুরেছে সেইটা বার করতে হবে। হুইলের পেরিমিটার আর কতটা রাস্তা যাচ্ছে সেইটা, লেন্থ অফ কতটা রাস্তা কভার করছে সেইটা হচ্ছে, টোটাল রাস্তাটা হচ্ছে এত সেন্টিমিটার আর হুইলটার লেন্থ হচ্ছে এত সেন্টিমিটার। তাহলে কতবার ঘুরেছে, টোটাল লেন্থ ডিভাইডেড বাই পেরিমিটার অফ দ্য হুইল। Therefore the number of revolution, that is total length divided by length of the wheel, that is perimeter. Perimeter, that is circumference. There, by calculation, after putting the values and simplifying, if you keep in this way, it will be easier for calculation. But if you do by multiplication, then it will be complicated. This is why you must try to follow this method. By calculation, we are getting 40. Therefore, the number of complete revolution of the wheel is 40. This is the answer. I think it is clear, but if you feel difficulties, then you must go through the solution again. Then it will be clear. Okay, thank you everybody.